New for 2024 is the 100187 Country Manor from Fairmont Park Models, a division of Cavco Industries. The 100187 is a flat-floor dual loft model, and the 100187S, shown here, is a sunken bedroom model. What you will see as you peruse this park model both inside and out is the quality. Fairmont Park models are built with many of the same materials that we use in our high-end modular homes. Some of these materials are standard in our park models, such as Owens Corning lifetime warranty shingles, OSB exterior sheathing, HomeGuard wind barrier house wrap, full ice and water roof shield, Whirlpool appliances, and real wood cabinetry with in-screwed wood styles for longevity and appeal. Fairmont also adds larger, thermopane dual-glazed low-E windows for a better view of your surroundings. Our cradle of strength residential construction technique is applied to all of our products. Outside wall studs and roof trusses line up with our floor joists, which are installed 16 inches on center transversely, just like high-end stick-built homes. We finish this off with 7/16-inch OSB sheathing. Simply put, we produce the best-built park model in the industry. Get more for what you pay. The exterior of this model features optional cottonwood shake siding on the center of the front wall, as well as optional black soffit, fascia, and drip edge as a contrast to our newest vinyl siding color, ironstone, one of the most popular colors available in the housing industry. Step inside to a spacious living room with modern aesthetic decor and colors to make you feel right at home. We use full half-inch drywall with vinyl wall coverings that comes in a selection of designs for added personalization. This model represents a rustic interior using natural driftwood main walls with canvas natural bathroom walls. These residential walls provide a more quiet space from room to room and outdoor noises, as well as the bonus of added insulation. The entertainment center houses an optional electric fireplace that adds ambiance to your living area and also keeps you warm on cooler days. And a generous amount of windows allow natural light to penetrate the room and give a better view of the outside world around you. In the kitchen, you will find an abundance of residential cabinetry available in 4 hardwood color choices. In this model, we are showing rustic shores cabinets with vintage oak crown. We add hidden door hinges, adjustable shelves, and sturdy dovetail construction on every drawer. This unit also has optional soft close doors and drawers, optional farm sink with workstation, optional black hardware and faucets, optional Java ceiling beams, and a standard movable island. Notice there is ample countertop space displaying gorgeous Merapi solid surface countertops. Enter the bathroom and you will quickly notice the brand new 54-inch Palisade shower with bypass glass doors, a window for light and ventilation, a large lavatory with storage, and a residential raised commode. As you step into the bedroom, you will find much-needed rest on a queen bed with a pillow-top mattress. New this year is an optional lift-up bed box for additional storage. The same quality-built cabinetry is built into the ample dual wardrobes to house all of your apparel necessities. USB ports and reading lights are located at each nightstand for your convenience. Fairmont does not skimp on convenient storage space. For your extended stays, Fairmont offers the convenience of an installed or prepped washer and dryer on some models. This unit shows the optional rear entry door in place of the standard spacious guest closet. And for peace of mind in knowing you made the right decision purchasing a Fairmont Park model, we proudly boast that we also have a top-notch service department and a long history of fewer service issues than all of our competitors. Our enduring commitment to quality lies in your day-to-day, hassle-free enjoyment of our product. Fairmont Park Models. Get more for what you pay. Just park it.